Meanwhile, we are covered by GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Kennedy Agyapong, MP for Asin Central, former MPP flag bearer hopeful. What they and someone to be amawa to be the amani Asenso Boakye Minister for Work, Minister for Housing. What they and some people now are there. No, so no they and someone to be a former Chief Justice, Justice Anin Yeboah. Also, what there so what I'm wanting now one in the one ano. Now answer na me dey and something in abeba no. Message say so we subscribe to the channel now. Message say over subscribe. What dey obey say over click subscribe button no. Na wa bele notification no. We yan sa video fufuru bia ebe upload no. Also once ebe bi. After we na wa like video no, my thumbs up. Na fe wa share ma ofufuru so na onya bi na won hwe. Afi yonko seminimu Kennedy Agyapong what they some to ja na what they subo bibre abo Asenso Boakye what say keta share prayer efufa father so na yenhwe story no say Asenso Boakye was taking $20,000 bribe at Jubilee House. Kennedy Agyapong alleges. Na yenhwe story say Asin Central Member of Parliament Kennedy Agyapong has alleged that corruption reports around colleague MP for Bantama Francis Asenso Boakye was true. Now they say kita sharing Cecilia na okekano FIA Asenso Boakye hono che say no kre. Agyapong accused Asenso Boakye, who is the current housing minister, of stealing funds at his ministry. Now they say what the subabo and say yes kebia e wo ministry wo no wo review seska. Agyapong also revived reports of Asenso Boakye having demanded bribes to facilitate access to the president during his time as deputy chief of staff. That is between 2017 and 2021. Not just open so the president and other than Akufo-Addo says kebi obeje ho ansa na wonya access ansa na wonya ho kwan akwaku the president had been on the deputy chief of staff ewo presidency ho. Today, because of President Akufo-Addo, Asenso sits on radio and talks big that if Ken will win, that is the flag bearership, MPP is better off in opposition. Is that what power is about? How much money have you stolen from housing ministry? He asked while addressing MPP delegates in Bantama. The attorney said, Kennedy Agyapong okupio Bantama, Ashanti region. Na niya ba akwa friend Ralph Agyapong, no so ne Asenso and pray. Nipa obi gina ho as MP ama constituency no na no na Kennedy to bi man Asenso Boakye sama muntu ma no ni nya da campaign ma ni nya Ralph Agyapong no na okoda sanse wo nyina edi wo hodom na wo chance say na because of Akufo-Addo ti wo ti radio so na wo kasa talk big na wo sika o che say Kennedy Agyapong so no ewini flag bearership race is better of MPP opposition. Also, is that what power is about? How much money have you stolen from the housing ministry? In a housing ministry. Now, what was saying, even as deputy chief of staff, you were taking bribe of $20,000. You think the man was not truthful? Ask Kwabena Santi of Abelemkpe about the Chinese people, a deal I eventually blocked. If you recall, I warned the MPP that they were disgracing Nana Akufo-Addo, those at Jubilee House, that were taking money to grant access to the president. I was referring to Asenso. Today, I'm telling you, Agyapong stress. Not just say, I'm out for this car, Jubilee House, one son of one president, or Sasam or Liberty, that Sabrina or Chese, Asenso Boakye, and then said Dumano. Now, a Kennedy Agyapong, Ninsema, what they a two draw into one anyone said about Kupio, where Bantama, when they delegate, Eddie Kuma, or that Sansa winning Eddie, Inti a Ninsema, Intio.
Uvisa papa na sɛ no ka anya no mo komisa Kwabena Santi adom efe mo misa no sɛ Chinese for no demand 20,000 no and no that I stopped it sɛ mo be kaya me di kan abo MPP for koko sɛ mo group na Akufo-Addo anim ase mo a Jubilee House mo titi sika za mama go. I was referring to Asenso today. I'm telling you, I was referring to Asenso. You should be ashamed of yourself to go and vote for a corrupt MP like Asenso again. I'm telling you, I don't miss words. I don't care how you feel. That is the gospel truth. Because Ghana first. Now we get to me. Cousin, and Kennedy Agyapong, the young couples. Whoa, we didn't know where you want, not new work. What's a pavilion? Here's a pavilion. Mimi African market. I want to go Mabeja. But in the Mabeja and what custom. And what quiet, you want us. And then, Asenso Boakye. They are here. Wow. Moya mistake. Now, 2 months. The whole revelations of the paper. Yes, I'm telling you, it's a condition. If you don't want me to talk, vote against him. If you want me to talk, vote for him. And I challenge all of you because your mama said Ghana. You need baby abo. You need baby abo. We are not, and I'm telling you, we are not going to abandon corrupt members of government. We are also all challenging in the heart. Say, make it a poor cancer for a handy, make a trauma and slam and everything. Put your way in what you have. So I see at the table. Me, I am. It's in your lot of maybe we both. What too many we are. Make some money, make them see a yeah. I was a Cecilia Dapaah when we are on house in Wa. And we are deputy chief of staff. I just bribe $20,000. Who is a papa master no kind of no? Who is a papa santi? I do my effort. Mommy son. Say Chinese if one or demanded 20,000 and normally back. I stopped it. Some of my career. Me be kind of MP before Kokose. More good than Akufo-Addo you must say. More Jubilee House. I was referring to Asenso today. I'm telling you. I was referring to Asenso. You should be ashamed of yourself to go and vote for a corrupt MP like Asenso again. I'm telling you. I don't miss words. I don't care how you feel. That is the gospel truth. Because Ghana first. Now we get to me. Cousin, and Kennedy Agyapong, the young couples. Whoa, we didn't know where you want, not new work. What's a pavilion? Here's a pavilion. Mimi African market. I want to go Mabeja. But in the Mabeja and what custom. And what quiet, you want us. And then, Asenso Boakye. They are here. Wow. Moya mistake. Now 2 months. The whole revelations of the paper. Yes, I'm telling you, it's a condition. If you don't want me to talk, vote against him. If you want me to talk, vote for him. And I challenge all of you because your mama said Ghana. You need baby abo. We are not, and I'm telling you, we are not going to abandon corrupt members of government. We are also all challenging in the heart. Say, make it a poor cancer for a handy, make a trauma and slam and everything. Put your way in what you have. So I see at the table. Me, I am. It's in your lot of maybe we both. What too many we are. Make some money, make them see a yeah. I'll never forgive him for that statement. Forget it.
Yo, it is for winning and some of your Kennedy Agyapong, the 2 jar or a year Bantama delegate. Nigeria compare all your ma a year in your rough Agyapong. Now, what I said, so delegate in me, Nasa 1 or 2 my year, Asenso Boakye, Revelations of the Babontino and yet Asemketwa. Na yentua ye Kennedy and Samuso. Na Kennedy yetwani Samuso no was had so boy former Chief Justice and Asenso Boakye, which I say a year a dambia for a former Supreme Court judge. Papa no we free moon na the residents no akusi as a one no apostle. Na yenhwe story no say misallocation of late Justice Mafusian resident Kennedy Agyapong Pooks Asenso Boakye and SCJ Anin Yeboah. I say former New Patriotic Former New Patriotic Party flag bearer hopeful Kennedy Agyapong has accused the Member of Parliament for Bantama, Francis Asenso Boakye, and former Chief Justice Anin Yeboah of arrogating a judicial service estate to themselves. Na chese what this ubabo judicial service one dani bi no chese wana jidano afa. According to Kennedy Agyapong, whose brother Ralph Agyapong is competing against Asenso Boakye in the MPP parliamentary primaries, the MP who doubled as housing minister in cahoots with the XCJ have taken over a house which was the official residence of the late Supreme Court Justice Mafo Siam following his death. That is a papa no year no baby na what an official residence the man no chese Asenso Boakye any former CJ wana jidano aboso. The former Chief Justice and Asenso Boakye should come and respond what is happening to the house Justice Mafo Siam was living in after his death. Chese wanembra bontin na wanimbeyi wanano efa aye dan baby na ye papa no eti former Supreme Court judge no a we free no ne dan no wanembra na wanimbeyi ano. Say it is a state house and some people who want to take it were not even born, but today because of position they want to take it and come and brag. He told some Bantama MPP delegates. Not just say, that dano cry is and then because of the bra when you're in according to Kennedy Agyapong, who has dared the two to come out and defend themselves, he is willing to report the matter to the special prosecutor. Which is one emra na wanimbeyi wanano nyesa wadi asemno ekodan eye special prosecutor. Na yeti eye Kennedy Agyapong said ye wada asase go nyadi okopie wo ye Bantama wo kanensem yeti no.
I'm telling you today, some time you got to say, "Bemu ejuma ye, no mu dwa womanum, womu de aban sase ni adan and home person womu ton." I mean, I got to mutie me before I started. Former Chief Justice, Oni Judicial Service, any Asenso, Omu meyano, eye Justice. Mafu sound owu yano ifia wotimono na esi abadia enipa bi omu fasa dan kra ne enwo wo mu enne positions inti ompese omu defa omu ba omu abedu omunum. I have a tax for the Vice President of Mahama. So Vice President winio Mahama ne winio me say sa dan no de media chiri. I'm the issues of my investigation because one person fact down. Sad only a woman. The Belgians also Omopa, Omunian Yombeka, Ghana first. Mekano Kweku. For yet Tintina, Emma Mufrebi, Momo Break, Emma Omono, and Konya positions, and from Ghana Japadia, and Yejuma. Let them take me to court. Only I mean a report to special prosecutor first. My dear former Chief Justice, you should come out and let us know. Justice Safu Mafu Sound, if you are no team or who you know, Cecilia Dapaah. What kind of life is this? No my pompous. Namutu abama womwa. Womu anu na mosuse atantade. We are revelations of the powers and so as I said on the say Chief Justice I'm a country Mafu Sanfiano a DNS. Please, we are not going to allow anybody a Jubilee House they are living.
Yo, it's from GCD so and our no so we now subscribe ya necessary over subscribe no like it na watch a video no also bet me actually wadwen afa and so we na ho e wo comment box ni mo mobati minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. click on the bell to turn on the notification.